Okay, here's one more example. We're going to do whole number division. So we're doing 1,935 divided by 17. Again, when I look at it, I don't know my 17 facts, so I'll make a quick ladder over here. 17, one group of 17 is 17. Another 17 would make 34, so that's 17 times 2, or two groups of 17 makes 34. Add on another 17, 51, that's three groups of 17. Another 17 is 8, 68, so that's four groups of 17. And another 17, it's 85. That's five groups of 17. Now, there's no rule that says there's a certain amount that you need to do. You just want to have a couple numbers because you don't want to have to keep redoing this over and over again. All right, so now as I take a look, I'm going to actually do my division. So I'm doing 1,935. I'm dividing it by 17. Okay, now I've gotten lucky because 17 goes into 19. So that goes in one time. But I'm not really dividing it into 19. I'm dividing it into 1,935. So I really want this to be 1,700. So to get to that, I'd have to multiply it by 100. When I subtract, that leaves me with 235 left over. Now, some people will skip down and they'll do 5 times 5 because 85 is the largest number here and we're trying to get to 235. But if you stop and think about it, if I multiply it by 10, that would be 170. Okay, so that's way closer than 85. So as I do this, I do my subtraction. I have 65 left. 65 I can't do times 4, so I'll do times 3. That makes 51. So I subtract 4, 1. I have 14 left over. Okay, 14 is smaller than the 17 that I have over there. So I add this up, 113. So it goes in, 17 goes into 1,935 113 times, and there's 14 left over. So like we do with all division, you got to make the decision. What do you want to do with that remainder? Are you just saying that's the remainder? Is the remainder the answer? Am I losing the remainder? Do I round up to the next thing? Or my favorite, 14/17, turn it into a fraction and keep it. That's your last example for today.